I'm Aaron Rose. I'm the founder of Make Something, and we're here at the Nike Stadium space here on the Bowery in New York City, talking about 5 weeks of incredible creative workshops we've done around the World Basketball Festival. If you're wondering what World Basketball Festival is, it's a 4-day celebration that's happening here in New York City that pays tribute to the international sport of basketball, and Make Something has been a chance to interface with teenagers and create things around the culture of the sport of basketball.
I'm very excited to be here, be a part of something big like this. And even if it's just walking through and talking to the kids for 5 or 10 minutes, I think that it helps. I'm very blessed to be in the position I am to help kids and give them a good role model to look at. So, it's been fun for me.
We started off this whole project with Design Week, which was basically designers coming in from Nike, working with all kinds of different kids on designing Converse shoes, Nike Hyperdunks, basketballs, Destroyer jackets, jerseys, shorts, just an amazing amount of cool products that were produced, designed completely and totally by the kids. Not only was this an amazing experience for the kids because of all these Nike designers being here, but each day we had a special guest ball player come in, including God Shammgod, Rudy Gay, Kevin Durant, and Jared Jeffries, which was pretty cool. Maybe the most incredible thing, something that's never ever happened, was this hybrid shoe workshop, which happened on day 5 of Design Week, where Nike, Brand Jordan, and Converse all came together to create a one-of-a-kind hybrid shoe, which we'll have displayed in the Make Something space here. That is probably one of the coolest things that's ever happened. A definite collector's item.
We didn't have like an outline or any shape. We just had to draw it out ourselves and find the creation within us, and not just from the other shoes.
I'm just as excited about it as I know the students are about creating some of the projects and just learning from not only myself but some of the other designers that are here.
After we finished Design Week, we got into a whole series of community art projects where we had students develop projects that will eventually lead up to the World Basketball Festival celebration in Rucker Park in Harlem. We had Eric Helms come in and create a mural with the kids. We had Jeff Canham, an amazing sign painter from San Francisco, teach the kids the principles of typography and sign painting. And Andrew Jeffrey Wright, an amazing artist and silkscreener, came in, and the students designed posters announcing the World Basketball Festival.
The saying for World Basketball is United We Rise. We split up the wall, and each group of kids picked a letter or a couple letters, and they did their thing and went crazy on each one. So it's got this crazy mashup of all these letters.
My workshop was teaching poster design and printing workshop. It was a 2-day workshop, so the posters look really good to me. I like the way they came out a lot. To watch all the kids come together and work on these projects together was really interesting. They gelled immediately, and they worked together really well, and that was really cool to see.
After our community art workshops, we got into a series of workshops called The Celebration, which is basically leading up to this amazing celebration that's going to happen in Rucker Park. We had Carrie Munden, who goes by the name of Cassette Player from London, who's a fantastic fashion designer, came in and taught a costume design workshop where the kids took basketball uniforms and totally psychedelicized them out with images that reflected the different countries of the World Basketball Festival. We had Todd James come in and do a puppet design workshop, and we had Julia Chang came in and did a flags and banners workshop the kids will be waving around during the festival. Then to top it all off, we had A-Track come in and do a music workshop where the kids not only conceived of a track but learned drumming routines that they're going to be drumming along with during the performance. It's going to be totally epic.
So I wanted to link back to the theme of basketball and looking at performance wear in basketball, but using our own symbols and shapes and taking it somewhere else.
We did this amazing documentary project with Todd Selby, who does the Selby.com, and Cheryl Dunn, where Todd took the students around and did a series of portraits of native New Yorkers that express the diverse and internationality of not only New York but the sport of basketball. And then Cheryl Dunn came and did the same thing with documentary video, where all the students made these short little documentary films, all completed in one day. culminate all of these weeks of workshops and art and design and music and fashion, we decided to put it all together into the first issue of Make Something Magazine, which is an amazing collaboration between Emma Reeves of V Magazine, and a lot of our students came together, both taking pictures and designing font and really editing this magazine themselves, and it's an incredible, incredible thing, some of which you can see behind me right here. This was an amazing experience for everyone involved. I just can't say enough good things about everyone who came through here, everyone that's worked on this project, everyone at Nike has been incredible. Thanks to Converse, thanks to Brad Jordan, thanks to the Cooper Hewitt National Design Museum, who are so great in bringing all the kids in. And thanks to the world for making basketball so international. United we rise.